Hey Jess, it's Kate here. So I really enjoyed your video. I think you made everything really easy to understand how oxygen binds to hemoglobin and then ultimately releases into the tissues and basically provides oxygen to the entire body. So thanks for your video. It was really informative and I really enjoyed it. So to answer the professor's question about how oxygen binding to heme would be affected if the pH was the same in the tissues as in the lungs, and I think that it would definitely be affected. So I think the oxygen wouldn't bind as well just because the pH is the same. Um, so because the affinity would be decreased, but also I think it's important to remember that the partial pressures need to be taken into account. So I like to think of it as passive diffusion. That's the best way I kind of understand it. So that will definitely still play a big role. So oxygen will still be delivered, but I think it just won't be as efficient because there won't be any of those pH changes, which allows for oxygen to bind and ultimately be released to the tissues.